Maafitha a EACC matongoretio ni Commissioner Alfred Mushiba ni macemanĩtie na maafitha anene thirikari-inĩ ya Makueni nĩguo kwamba kamĩtĩ ya kũng'ethanĩra na ungumania matũũra-inĩ, kamĩtĩ ĩrĩa ĩkũrehe hamwe maafitha a EACC na kuma county na ĩrĩa ĩrĩtongoragio nĩ governor.
The main objective is to advance the prevention aspect and this can be done through the prevention committees, which is the apex, which will be headed by the governor, and the aim is to improve and strengthen the systems so that we can have services reaching the citizens. That's our main objective.
Corruption is a problem. Corruption has gone to great heights, both at the Senate, the National Assembly. So this is a national conversation, and it's a national conversation which we are willing to participate, and we are willing to ensure that we remain where we are, the least corrupt county in Kenya.
EACC nĩ ĩgathĩrĩirie makinya marĩa makinyanĩirio nĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Makueni nĩguo kũhũrana na ciiko cia ungumania, kuona kaunti ĩno nĩ ĩmwe ya iria ikoretwo na ciiko nini cia ũheani kana wamũkĩri wa mahaki rĩrĩa mũingĩ wathiĩ gwetha motungata ma thirikari.
Annually we conduct a survey on the corruption in the whole country, and it has just been released, and out of the survey already Makueni is the lowest, especially on issues of bribery and such issues.
What we have done differently is part of it is the automation. Means that number one, nobody needs to bribe for a license. Number two, nobody needs to look for an officer wearing a yellow kabuti to pay for their parking, etc., etc. It's online. So it's some of these very soft mechanisms that have reduced the interaction with. You don't need to bribe. You don't need to bribe to get a service in a hospital. You don't need to bribe to get a license. You don't need to bribe to get a contract.
Kamĩtĩ ici cia kũhũrana na ungumania na ithondeketwo kaunti-inĩ 11 na Makueni nĩ ya 12. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Karega wa Buthia.